you rest.
That's true. I want to make sure our exhibits are in. I also have a court TV objection to make, Your Honor.
Well, why don't we deal with that at the end of the day, unless it needs to be done right now?
It does.
All right.
We've had 2 decorum order violations. I'm reporting a third right now.
By that media?
Yes.
No, wait. The 2 previous ones, by that media or by the AP reporter?
Sometimes it's hard for me to tell, Your Honor.
If it's a still photographer, it's not court TV.
No. My client, I've had this on 2 reports, 2 individual reports. There is a direct camera on my client's face in the last, for the last bit of testimony. I wasn't speaking, and it was just focused on her. Direct violation of how the court has interpreted the decorum order.
Do you have a picture of that?
Reports of close-ups of Gwyneth Paltrow on court TV today when she's not speaking and I'm not speaking. Do we have actual documents of it?
Photos? No, not that. I don't.
Try to get them, would you?
Well, okay, so that's noted, and I'm going to ask Court TV to, if they need any clarification on the decorum order, to ask for it, but otherwise they should only be going on the lectern and on the witness unless an objection is made at counsel table, and then they can show counsel table.
Thank you.
Judge, we've had, I don't know, 8 or 10 objections about the decorum order. I think you ought to charge all of that to them. We've had not one on our side. And Mr. Bueller's very famous, and so I think that, you know.
My cousin's Ferris.
So, but I'm serious, there's been a lot of these decorum things.
And none of them have been charged to either side because they've been out of the hearing of the jury that we've dealt with those issues.
Right.
So you're being charged for jury time.
Okay.
So we'll take the last witness right now, and you're going to take about 30 minutes.
Correct?
Is that right?
Yes.
And then we'll